Hello everyone! There are many different ways to solve the last two centers on the 5x5 Rubik's Cube, but my goal in this video is to teach you how to solve them using only two simple moves. And if you need help solving the centers from the very beginning, please go ahead and check out my full 5x5 tutorial. Alright, so first of all, let's make sure that all of the centers are in their correct spots according to the Western color scheme. It's where we have yellow on top, and then white is on the bottom, and then you have blue. Opposite of blue is going to be green, and then here we have red, and opposite of red is going to be orange. I like to have orange and green as my last two centers, but you may have two different colors, and that's okay. The concept I'm going to be showing you is the exact same. So just go ahead and have one of the incomplete sides facing top just like this, and this is going to be my orange side because orange is opposite from red. And then right here have the other incomplete side facing you, and this is going to be my green side, and just to make sure, green, opposite of green is blue. So that is perfect. The next thing we need to do is to make a cross on both of these incomplete sides within these 9 centerpieces right here. And we're going to be doing that by swapping out these pieces, like this orange piece will be swapped out with this green piece. So that will go here, and then this one will go here, just to build that cross. And again, your colors might be different than mine, but that's okay. Just go ahead and continue to follow along. To swap the pieces, make sure that you have an opposite color edge piece to the right of the centerpieces facing to the right on both sides. So here we have the green centerpiece. We want the opposite color right here, so we don't want green right here. So let's go ahead and rotate this front face so that we have the opposite color to the right of green. Green and orange. And then up here we have orange and orange, so we need to rotate this face right here so that we have green. So now we have orange and green. That's opposite colors and opposite colors. This orange needs to go up here, and this green needs to come down here. Once they are facing to the right on this right side and the right side up here, go ahead and do this move. Take these two right sides and go right clockwise. Up prime, which is up counterclockwise. Take this middle layer and go prime, which is away from us. Up the two right layers again, go counterclockwise, which is prime. Up prime, and then this middle layer towards us, which is clockwise. Alright, so now that we have the crosses almost complete on both sides, we just have one more piece that we have to swap out. So make sure, again, that it is facing to the right of the centerpiece, so green and orange. And then here on the side that's facing us, we have the green center. Make sure that this color is opposite, which it is, and that's orange, so that these pieces are going to be swapping with each other. And go ahead and do that same move. Take the two right layers and go right, up prime. Take this middle layer and go prime, which is counterclockwise, away from us. Up, the two right layers go prime. Up prime, and then this middle layer go towards us. And then you'll just repeat these steps until you have a cross on both of the centers. After you've created the cross on both of the last two centers, now what we need to do is swap out these corner center pieces one by one until the centers are completely solved. So on this front face, make sure that you have one of the opposite colors in the top right hand direction. And then on this top layer, make sure that it's in the front right hand direction. And then go ahead and do this move. Take these two right layers and go right, up. Take the two right layers and go prime, up. Take the two right layers and go right, up 2 times, and then take the right 2 layers and go prime. So that is called the Right Sune. And if you are familiar with a 3x3 or just cubing in general, we'll be using that move quite a bit. So definitely get familiar with that move. So yeah, we have one more piece that we need to swap out. Make sure that in this top layer here, it is in the front right hand direction. And then this front layer, make sure that the piece that we are going to swap is in the top right hand direction so that it looks just like this. And then go ahead and do that Right Sune move again. take the right 2 layers and go right, up, the 2 right layers and go prime, up, the 2 right layers and go right, up 2 times, take the right 2 layers and go prime. And again, you'll just repeat those steps until both of the last 2 centers are completely solved. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Your support is very much appreciated. And don't forget to use code NOAH to get a discount on your next daily puzzles order. I'll see you guys next time.